Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. On this occasion, please allow me, Megita Dwi Pamungkas, to present our paper entitled Teaching Spatial Geometry with GeoGebra. Can it improve problem-solving skills of pre-service mathematics teachers? I'm from FKIP Universitas Tidar, Magelang, Indonesia. Introduction. As prospective or pre-service mathematics teachers, students are required to be able to convey the concepts they have acquired during lectures to their students at school level. Therefore, prospective mathematics teacher students must be equipped with problem-solving skills, which are one of the abilities that must be possessed. Spatial geometry is very important for prospective mathematics teachers students because the material is widely available in the curriculum of mathematics subject taught at the primary and secondary school levels. The result of preliminary observation indicate that students' problem-solving skills are still low, as indicated by the fact that more than 60% of students who score less than 70 with a maximum score of 100. To solve the above problems, a solution is offered by using GeoGebra in the space geometry course. This research question is number 1. Whether the implementation of GeoGebra-based space geometry lectures can improve problem-solving skills. Number 2. How to improve the problem-solving skills of prospective mathematics teachers who implement GeoGebra and use conventional learning in space geometry lectures. Research methods. This study used a quasi-experimental method with a pretest, post-test, non-equivalent control group research design. The instrument used in this study were test question and questionnaire. The test instrument used a description test to measure students' ability to problem-solving skills. The questionnaires consist of 50 assessment items with 4 criteria that are strongly agreeable, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. The results show that there was an increase in the problem-solving ability of spatial geometry after students did the learning using GeoGebra. In conventional learning, the category is medium, and the experiment group with GeoGebra, the category is medium. The higher ingress from the gain normality test show that learning space geometry using GeoGebra give a better contribution in improving students' problem-solving abilities to spatial geometry. The result and discussion. The process can be said to be correct because it is under the formula to answer the problem. The students to make the sketch. Likewise, the steps of the process are under the problem-solving indicators, namely understanding the problem, planning the work, doing calculation, returning to see the original answer. The results of the recapitulation of students' response show that of the 15 statements, which are the translation of the 4 indicators, namely the ability to understand problem, design mathematical models, solve models, and interpret to solution absent, and all positive statements were dominant in agreeing. While in the negative statements, the dominant respondents choose to disagree. This shows that GeoGebra can help students build new knowledge and relate it to previous knowledge, which is quite consistent with a constructive learning approach. The conclusion of my paper, based on the research conduct, the problem-solving skills in the experimental group increased significantly compared to the control group. There is an increase in students' problem-solving skills in the two sample groups. The two sample groups are both in the moderate improvement category or medium improvement category, but the increase in the students' problem skills is higher in the experimental group. Besides, the description of the results of the response questionnaire also show that there are positive impacts obtained by students, including increasing motivation and interest during lectures. That's all we can say. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.